One of the common question across any app that uses camera and microphone is that how do I connect the camera, or this microphone is not connected, the agent is not listening, and it's same for us. So in this video, I'll cover on 3 layers how you can troubleshoot when this arises. So level 1 is that let's say the first thing when it's not connecting or you don't see the camera, you should start right from this page and go to the pre-check screen. So once you click any of the scenario, this screen is the pre-check screen here. Clicking here sort of automatically pushes permission here to pop up. So once you click here, you see that you will see this and you have to permission and then reload. Now, in some cases, you want to recheck like which mic you are using. In my case, for example, these are all the mics, and I want to connect the mic that I am using during the call. Similarly, like camera, if I have more than one camera, then you will see a mic selector. A lot of times we see that people have multiple mics and they are speaking to a different mic to the agent, and agent does not listen, and it cuts the call. So that's the layer 1 that come here in this pre-check screen. Try to make sure that there is a tick icon here. If not, select the right mic. It's already shows that my voice is getting registered. Level 2 is that let's say you denied sometime, or maybe there is some issue for whatever reason, this screen is not working. It's not helping you get there. So then you have to look into the browser, that whether browser has the permission or not. So in the case of Chrome, you just have to go to this icon here and you have to make sure that camera, what kind of permission your camera you have given, allowed, not allowed. Similarly, in the case of a microphone, you can check these permission. If you are on, and once you do that, you have to reload for the permission here. This is the case of the Chrome. If you are on Safari, which I have here, let me open. So in the case of Safari, what you have to do is go to, again, AI, go to any application. In the Safari case, you might not see here, you have to go to the settings in the Safari. And in the Safari setting, you have to find in the websites, the website that is being used. In this case, it's AI. So you can go to the camera and microphone and make sure that it's allowed. Ask is also fine, that once it asks, it will allow, but make sure that it's not denied. And once you deny, you have to go back and manually allow, because our applications are blocked from fetching the permission repeated times. So that's the second layer of check, that in your browser figure out whether you have given the right permissions or not. The third layer of check that we have run into, or the third layer of troubleshooting, is in many cases what happens. So let me come here. In many cases, what happens, your organization network could have blocked it, or maybe there are multiple connections being made and for some reasons it's not working. So one of the link that I'll put here to try is this LiveKit browser test. So I'll just reload this browser. So because in many of the cases we use WebRTC and other, so this is a good test whether WebRTC and everything is functional, and it should result in a tick. If not, then you have to speak your IT, whether WebRTC or let's say some other kind of a protocol is allowed or not. Some things that we have seen again in this case is maybe your organization has blocked OpenAI. So in that case, an easy test is just hit the API endpoint through curl or some other command in OpenAI, or directly go to ChatGPT and see that whether you can speak to there or not. Similarly, sometimes Azure, Gemini, some models are blocked. So then you have to individually work. This is also the right place to reach out to us. So our team can work with your IT team and figure out the right set of approvals are in place. And then we could suggest you which model to use. For example, in many cases, OpenAI is blocked, but they are a good user of Azure. So then we can recommend you how you can use Azure through AI, and that way you'll be unblocked. So try it out. Let us know how it goes, and we are here to help. Thank you so much.